today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download WinRAR for PC. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open any of the browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Here we go. Now at the top you can see the search bar. Type there WinRAR download. Now here at the top you can see the link for downloading WinRAR for free. Just click on this link. Now scroll down. Here you can see different options for the size and then language. Here I will be choosing this first one. Now here you can see that file has downloaded. Just click on it. Now you have to install to your device and then it is ready to use. Click on install anyway. Again click on install. Click on OK. Click on done. In this way you can easily download and install WinRAR for your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.